Welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB and in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how to play Hakuna Matata, part 3 of our Lion King medley. If you missed part 1 and part 2 of this medley, have a look at the links that I'm putting up now, and if you haven't already downloaded the music, click in the description box and that's where you can download all the resources for these 3 lessons. If you've been following my other videos, you already know the chords you need for this song, but in this one there are 3 new chords and they're all fairly straightforward. The first new chord that we've got is going to be the chord of D. Now what you do is you take finger 1, fret 2 on the C string, and finger 2, fret 2 on the E string straight underneath it. And really you should play from the C string down, which will be your standard D chord, but in this song it sounds nice to have that open G ringing out as well. So a lot of the time I'm hitting that string as well, but to do a standard D, miss it out. Your next chord is G, a closed position G. Now if you've been playing your closed position F, which was finger 1, fret 3 on the A string, finger 4, fret 5 on the E string, and finger 3, fret 5 on the C string. That was our closed F. You slide it up 2 frets and you've got fret 5, fret 7, fret 7. Now normally I would tell you not to play this G string because if we're playing the F chord, it doesn't sound good. But if we're playing a G chord, then this G string sounds very nice with it. And your last new chord is an A minor. It's as simple as playing fret 2 on the G string with finger 2. The reason we use fret 2 is if ever you needed to change to an F, it's nice and quick. So we're going to start with our closed position C chord, which was fret 3, fret 3, fret 4, fret 5. And we do it as a big downward strum. And then that gives our little finger free to start playing the melody line on the A string. So A string we're going to go 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, and then finger 1's ready to do that closed position F. Let me show you that again. So we've got the closed position C, little finger plays the 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, finger 1 goes into that closed position F. Then we're back to the A string for this next bit of melody line, 0, 3, 5, 6, 5, and now you go into a closed position C, but use finger 1 to do a little bar of the C first, and then hold down the rest of the C. If you can play it immediately all together, then that's fantastic, but focus on getting that index finger down first so you can get that melody line. So you've got on the A string, 0, 3, 5, 6, 5, C chord if you can grab it, or just the A string. The next bit's almost the same. We're going to go back to the A string. This is where most of our melody line lives. And we're doing 3, 6, 5, 6, 5, that closed position F again, same as we did before. Now we're doing that new D shape. So if I talk from the strings going up, we've got open string, fret 2, and you can play that additional open string. So we give it a down strum, finger 3 back to the A string, fret 3, slide it up to 6, and I would play the 5 with finger 1, because then you've got your fingers ready to play that closed position G. So let me show you that again. We've got the D chord, finger 3, fret 3, slide it up to 6, use finger 1 on the 5, and then you're into that G chord. Next is nice and easy. We've got some open strings. We're going to play open E string, G string twice, hold down fret 2 on the G string and strum, that makes it A minor, and then repeat with an A string. So we've got E string, G string, G string, A minor, A string. Go up to a C, a closed C, big strum. Now lift it off open G string, open E string, 2 on the C string, and do a pull off, and stick it back down and play a D. Let me show you that again. So we've got a C chord closed, lift it off, open G, open E, 2 on the C string, pull it off to an open string, D. Now this bit turns into a bit of finger picking because what we're doing is we're playing the main melody and the harmony that Timon and Pumbaa is singing in the film. So one has this line, and the other one has the harmony. But when you play them together, you get this, which sounds very nice and sweet. We start with the main melody on the A string, so fret 7 with finger 3, and your thumb playing an open G string. Play it twice. This finger goes down to fret 5, and your index finger is now going to play fret 1 on the E string. A string goes down to fret 3, E string comes off, it's an open string, play that twice. So let me show you that again. We've got a 7 and an open string, play it twice. Slide it down to 5, add the 1 on the E string, keep sliding down and take this one off. Back up to that first shape that we did, so 7 on the A string and an open string, play it twice. Now this time move this finger to the E string fret 7 and add finger 1 fret 5 on the A string. So it's quite a nice easy move, this one. We started with 7 and open string, move this up a string and add this one on 5 where it was. And our final little harmony part is little finger on the A string fret 5, index finger on the E string fret 1. And this is the bit that goes. What you're going to do is this. There's 2 conflicting shapes which are quite tricky to do. Your little finger is going to go up 1 fret. And your index finger is going to go up 2 frets. So we've got this. If I call out the E string, then the A string, we've got 1 and 5, 3 and 6. And you repeat that shape. 1 and 5, 3 and 6, 1 and 5. And then this finger keeps sliding down to 3, and it's that open shape. So let me show you that again slowly. And then it ends just with a closed C. Thank you very much for watching these videos. If you are enjoying the content that I'm making, please do make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. And whilst you're here, have a look at some of the other videos that are on the channel. Thanks.